Hello, this is your musician friend, AK, coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Come Let Us Worship the Lord, and that's in the key of B flat. Very fun song. We're going to get into it. And this song was requested by Mario Bernardo. Thank you so much, Mario.
To my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life.
All right, guys, we're in the key of B flat. Let's get it. That's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we're going to do like we always do. Let's stretch our hands. Let's crack our knuckles. Let's wiggle them. Let's get the nerves out. And let's get ready to receive this awesome song. Come, let us worship the Lord.
This song is brought to you by FlowCue. Create a task, set a timer, and get it done. FlowCue. Available on the App Store.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers.
Easy song. We're going to get through it. So we're starting this song out with Come let us worship the Lord in the beauty of holiness. Let me give you that. So we're going to 1. We're playing a B flat major chord, and then we're just doubling up on the 1. We're just playing it twice, right? I got 2 B flats in my right hand, and I got my 1 in my left hand, and I'm doing it twice. Bop, bop. In the beauty of. We're still on the 1, but we're playing this C minor chord right here. And then we're going to our B flat major chord right there on the 1. They're playing this beautiful turnaround. Let me give it to you. All right, so what is that? We're playing a 6 flat. Right there on the 6 flat, we're playing our G flat major chord. Then we're going to our A flat major chord right there on the 7 flat. Then we go right back to the beginning. Come, let us worship the Lord in the beauty of holiness. Now, as you see, that's the same exact thing, right? The next part is. So they're doing this nice turnaround. They're going on the 1, they're playing this A flat major chord. And then we're just walking up from our 1 all the way up to our 4. Let me give you those chords. The first chord is a B flat dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our A flat 6 chord on the 2. And then we're going right back to our B flat dominant 7 chord on the 3. Give him the honor. Give him the praise. All right, let me give you that. So we're going to give him the honor. We're right here on the 4. That's an E flat major chord. Then they're going, what is that? That's an A flat major over the 4. And then we're going right back to our E flat major over the 4. Give him the praise. All right, what is that? We're going to give him that's an E flat major chord. Then we're going to our 1. We're playing this B flat major chord. We're just walking on down to our 7 flat, right? What is that big chord there? There's an A flat dominant 7. And then we're going to our G dominant 7. I know it's a big chord. I know. But it's beautiful, right? So that last chord is right there on the 6. And then we're going, come let us worship the Lord. Let's give him the praise. All right, what is that? I know. Let me give it to you. We're going 6, 5, 4, 3. And all I'm doing is I'm playing them with my left and my right hand. Bop, 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 bop. Right? Then we're going to come, let us worship the Lord. All right, what is that? We're on our 2. We're just walking up from our 2 all the way up to our 5. So we're playing this beautiful chord right here. This is an E flat 6 chord on the 2. We're going to our 3. That's a B flat major chord. We're going right here to our E flat 6 chord. And then we're going to our 5. We're playing our B flat major chord. Now we're going to do a 2-5-1 progression. Very common in gospel music. 2, 5, 1. What are those chords? We're playing our 2. We're playing this E diminished 7 chord. Going to our F dominant 7 chord right there on the 5. Then we're going to our 1 and we're playing our E flat major chord just to resolve on our B flat major chord. So guys, that's the whole first part, right? And then of course they just go to lead us right back into the very first verse again. So that's that, right? So now that second time through, instead of going right here, right, we're going to stay right here on the 1. I know you want it. This is very churchy. So what I'm doing is I'm on my 1 and I'm playing this E flat major chord, and then I'm resolving with the B flat major chord on the 1. Now I'm going to start my bass walking up 3, 4. Right there on the 4 we're playing this B flat major chord. We're going to our 5 flat. We're playing this C minor chord. We're going to our 5. That's a B flat major chord. And then we're going to our 2-5, which is what I gave you earlier. We're playing our E diminished 7 chord on the 2. Then we're going to our F dominant 7 chord on the 5. And then we're going to our 1. And that's a B flat major chord. So the next part is worship him. All right, what is that nice little movement? I'm playing a B flat major chord on the 1, and I'm playing 2 chords that are very similar, just different keys, right? I'm playing an A dominant 7 chord and going up a half step and playing the B flat dominant 7 chord. All of that over the 1. All right, that's the effect. I'm walking up to my 4. Let me give you that walk up. That walk up is a B flat dominant 7 chord on the 1. We actually did it earlier. We're going to our A flat 6 chord on the 2. We're going right back to that B flat dominant 7 on the 3. We're going worship him. All right, what is this nice movement we're doing? We're on our 4. We're playing an E flat major chord. Now we're taking one chord and we're doing this concept of taking everything down a half step. See that? So what is that? We're on our 4. We're playing this E flat dominant 7. We're going to our 3. We're playing our D dominant 7. We're going to our 3 flat. We're playing our D flat dominant 7. Then we're going to our 2. And we're playing this C dominant 7. They're doing a nice walk up here. All right, what is this 2-5 walk up? This is very common in gospel, guys. We're on our 2. We're playing this C dominant 7. We're going to our 3. We're playing this B flat 6 chord. Then we're going right back to our C dominant 7, but now we're on our 5 flat. Give my God the glory. Give my God the praise. All right, what is that? So we're on our 5. We're playing this F major chord. Then we're playing this G minor chord. Then we're going to our F dominant 7 chord right there on the 5. And we're going to kind of do the same thing, but now we're on a 1. We're playing our B flat major chord. Then we're going to our C minor chord. Then we're going back to our 1, our B flat major chord. So guys, that's kind of like the sister chords, right? Sister chords are B flat major and C minor. B flat major and C minor. And you can keep on doing that all throughout the whole thing, right? Okay, so what's the next part? Yeah, we're going right back to that turnaround, right? Then we go, praise him. Right, same thing, guys. Praise him. Now we're switching up to the beginning. Come, let us worship the Lord and give him the praise. And guys, that's the whole song. I hope this song was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the world's fastest no. Just recently, my wife woke me up out of my sleep and asked me to go and talk to a lawn guy she fired years ago. My mission was simple. Ask him to cut our grass, not too high, and get the weeds in the back. Half asleep, I walked over while he was cutting a neighbor's yard. I started with a compliment. Man, your work is looking good. I was wondering if... And before I could finish, he said, oh no, I'm too busy. I can't do it. I hadn't even asked a question yet. I just nodded and said, okay, thank you. And walked back home with a whole list of lawn instructions that never got used. When I got inside, my wife asked, what did he say? I said, he said he's too busy. But deep down, I think what he meant was I'm busy and I remember. Life lesson. Some opportunities don't come with a reset button. The way we leave people today can affect the conversations we have with them years later. And sometimes the answer isn't no because they're busy. It's no because history showed up before you did. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And Mario, I didn't forget about you. Thank you so much for that awesome request. Please request more. Guys, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million.
And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us.
We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yeah, say it with me, a subscribe button. Yeah, you know what, guys? It takes about 3 seconds. It takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. I believe you can do it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my month, my year, and I really, really appreciate you. You know what? You're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK, I'm signing off.